Looking for the perfect way to stay warm this winter? Check out this indoor space heater with a built-in thermostat for precise temperature control. It features a 12-hour timer, so you can set it and forget it, perfect for day or night use. The 60 degrees oscillation helps spread warmth evenly throughout your room. And yes, it comes with a remote control. Control everything without leaving your cozy spot. Whether it's your bedroom, living room, or home office, this heater blends in and performs quietly. It's easy to operate, energy efficient, and designed with your comfort in mind. A must-have for families during cold months, and it even makes a thoughtful gift.